Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inspecting the belt closely. Look for frays, cuts, or embedded debris because those are safety killers. Next, test the retractor. Pull the belt slowly to check smooth travel, then pull sharply to confirm locking. Make sure to remove trim panels with the 10mm wrench and a trim tool so you can access mounting bolts and the retractor. Once panels are off, blow out dust with compressed air and wipe the webbing with a shop towel. This prepares the mechanism for the next phase. You now work on the core mechanism. First, disassemble the retractor cover while photographing each step so you can reverse it correctly. This avoids guessing later. Use compressed air and a brush to clear lint and sticky residue from gears and spring areas because grime causes binding. Apply a light silicone spray to pivots and sliding surfaces only. You want lubrication, not gumming the locking pawl, and avoid spraying the webbing or the centrifugal lock. Once moving freely, test the retractor repeatedly. You finish by reversing your disassembly steps. Reattach the cover, route the webbing straight, and torque mounting bolts to spec if you have them. Tight hardware prevents failure. Then test the belt under normal load and with quick pulls to confirm it locks reliably and retracts smoothly. If the belt still sticks or locks incorrectly, troubleshoot the spring tension and pawl alignment first. Make sure nothing obstructs the sensor. If that fails, replace the entire retractor assembly. It's the safe, final fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.